Hey guys, what's up? I just want to get on here and let everybody know we are making t-shirts and DDF prints for almost anything. We do all kinds of design. I got about 7,000 different designs, so it's been a while since I made a video. It's my little shop. We get the hat press in too, so if anybody's interested in caps, we're also doing caps and some other stuff too. But I got some leather in. I got like 4 different colors, but I can get different color leatherette patches. So if somebody wants to engrave leather patches, we're gonna be doing that also. So we're ready to go. Just got done with this one. This is a ball team I did here in Scottsville. Little joints. So we got all kinds of shirts in. I got plenty of them. If I ain't got them, I can get them for you in sizes and different colors and different brands. So I don't know why that went off, but like I said, we're doing hats too. Somebody wants a hat. Of course, shirts. Again, I got 7,000 designs. If I don't have your design, I'm sure I could get it. I create designs as well. So, but if I don't have it, I can find it. DDF prints. Somebody wants DDF prints. We're doing those as well. I just need your PNG file. You can send it to me Dropbox or email. Prefer Dropbox. I can send you a link. But you got your own specific design. You purchase the design, send me the design and the PNG file, and I'll print off what you need. I mean, I don't do gang shit yet, but I do. Amongst individuals, I offer discounts on all this stuff. So if anybody wants a specific, size and quality, I do all kinds of them. So I'm ready to go. If somebody needs something, I've got, like I said, I've got thousands of different designs that I do, but I just got all kinds of shirt different designs. I mean, so literally thousands of them. So if anybody's interested in a t-shirt, custom tee, or ball team, caps, it don't matter. I mean, I'm doing laser engraving or laser work stuff too, but I'll let you know more about that because I ain't got my big laser machine out here yet. So I will be doing like door hangers and home decor and different type things of that nature. So if somebody's interested in something like that, I will be doing that too. So like, there's a custom one I done for my wife, if you can see it, but I made it. I cut every bit of that out, hand painted it, laser engraved the picture on it. But I do other stuff too. So, but I'm making a video. If somebody wants t-shirts, we're ready to start making your shirt orders. I got every holiday you can think of: Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Easter. Of course, some of our holidays are already passed and gone, but I do humor ones. I do different type designs too, so I could fit any need that you might require, if that makes sense. So I do the youth shirts as well. I get the baby. I can get the baby stuff too. If you want the 3 T's, 2 T's, whatever. I do children t-shirts as well as youth. So yeah, check me out. I mean, I got these message me on Facebook. I have you on day, and I mean, most people here in Scottsville know me, so just let me know. If you need a t-shirt done or more than one done, I offer bulk discounts. Sorry, I can't get my words out. So yeah, let me know. Thank y'all.